Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm painting these loose cone flowers in a little garden bouquet. To start out, I'm painting a little brown oval off to the left of my paper. Next, I'm going to add in some little raindrop shaped petals, but I want to make sure that they all curve downward, and the petals toward the outer edges will also be just a little bit shorter. Now I'm going back and making this oval a little bit taller on the top because I really want these centers to pop. Next, I'm adding in my second flower. I've kept this center smaller than my first because that first one is going to be my focus. You can see that as I added in petals that I accidentally touched the brown center, so that's why some of the petals have this little brown hint to them. Now I'm adding in some filler flowers where there are some gaps. I've kept these flowers really simple so they wouldn't distract from my focal flowers that I already have down. I've also kept them a lighter version of that first red flower so that they help those tie together without taking away the focus. I left a lot of gaps between some of the flowers, so now I'm going to go in and fill in with some leaves. I like to paint things in groups so that I can kind of assess where certain elements need to go as I paint. So I started with those cone flowers, and then I added the filler flowers, and now I'm adding in leaves. I've also added these little stems so I don't have to fill in every space with a leaf. You really do need those little white spaces to allow a place for your eye to rest. Now I'm adding in these little sprigs. I've only added leaves to one side of most of the little stems just to help add character. Now I'm adding in some darker centers to my flowers and darkening a few petals. I decided these bottom tiny leaves needed to have a little bit of yellow to help bring another hint of yellow to the painting. I already have these lighter pink flowers to help support that big cone flower, so I just needed a touch of yellow to help support these others to help everything tie together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something new or found it helpful in any way, please share this with a friend. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching. Bye!